Hi guys, thank you so much for watching the video and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a gorgeous purple smoky eye using the Cut Crease Technique. Trust me, it's gonna look amazing, and the best part is it's super easy to do. Just follow along with me step by step. So let's get started. Alright, let's start by using an orange eyeshadow and apply it to your crease using a crease brush. Blend it well to create a seamless transition. Additionally, apply a bit of the eyeshadow to the inner corner of your eyelid and blend it out. My focus is on building up the intensity and making the eyeshadow vibrant, so I will gradually add the eyeshadow starting from the inner corner of my eyelid and blending it out towards the crease area, and you will achieve a seamless transition with a bold look. Okay, moving on the next step, I will use a dark purple eyeshadow that I personally love it. Using a fluffy brush, I will apply to the outer corner of my eyelid, and also I will take my time and carefully add the eyeshadow to the outer corner. Then blend it upwards with sweeping motions to ensure a seamless finish without any harsh lines. It's important to focus on the outer corner and avoid extending the brush all the way to the inner corner. And it's better to apply the eyeshadow until the middle of your eyelid because we'll be using concealer and the cut crease technique. So this will help you achieve a clean and defined final shadow. Alright, I've decided to darken the outer corner of my eyelid even further, so I will apply a small amount of black eyeshadow to the outer corner and blend it well to create a seamless transition. If you think the eye makeup looks a bit messy, don't worry, we will fix any imperfections in the next steps. In this step, I use a flat brush and apply a little bit of concealer to it. Then I create a cut crease by starting from the beginning of the eyelid and extending it towards the middle. I do this carefully to fix any uneven lines. If you see any harsh lines in the middle of your eyelid, don't worry. In the next step, we'll be applying eyeshadow to the center of the eyelid, which will completely cover the lines. And once again, take a flat brush and cover the cut crease area with white eyeshadow. It's time for the shimmery light purple eyeshadow. I absolutely love glitter and shimmery shades, so I'm going to use my finger to apply to the center of my eyelid. It is so beautiful and it has a special harmony with all the eyeshadows. I'm going to fix any harsh lines at the end of my eyelid. I want to create a clean and tidy line using a brush and concealer, and then I will blend it out with a beauty blender for a seamless finish. And once again, I will apply the same eyeshadows that I used on my eyelid onto my lower lash line. I will start with the orange eyeshadow, then move on to the dark purple shade, and finally apply the black eyeshadow at the outer corner of my lower lash line. I cannot complete my eyeshadow look without liquid eyeliner to enhance and finish my eyeshadow. I use liquid eyeliner to create a winged effect. I start from the outer corner and extend the line towards the middle as it complements the shape of my eyes better. I'm really happy with the final result of this makeup. It's truly easy to do and the eyeshadow colors are versatile, so you can find similar ones in your favorite eyeshadow palettes. I encourage you to give this makeup look a try. Lastly, I decided to use mascara, but you can also use false lashes if you prefer. Thank you for taking your time to watch this video. If you found it helpful, please smash that like button and share it with others who might benefit from this tutorial. I upload tutorial videos every week, so if you're interested in makeup, please subscribe to my channel to stay updated and not miss out on future videos. I love you all and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!